Hello friends! Today we're going to draw Baby Cookie Monster from Sesame Street. Cookie Monster is a funny blue monster who really loves cookies. He's been on the show for a long time, since even before my parents were born. Although he's almost at my grandpa's age, he never grows old. I think the secret he stays young forever is because he eats yummy cookies. That's why I keep on eating yummy cookies. I not only have youth, but also have a cavity. Maybe that's the price of staying young. Alright, let's draw his face. You can use dotted lines to outline the face and body. You can make the lines a little bit curvy, so the baby cookie monster looks cute and fluffy. His hands and body looks like my teddy bear, which is great because we don't need to draw fingers or toes. What kind of animal do you think Cookie Monster is? Maybe he's a blue bear without ears. Okay, now let's draw the cookie he's holding. I know exactly which cookie he is eating. It's a double chocolate cookie, one of my favorite. I used to have tons of them at home, but my mom has hidden them all. One night, I even caught my dad sneaking my chocolate cookies. I forgive him now, because I hope he can stay young forever. Let's move on to his body. His tummy is the same size as his face. When you draw a baby, the size of the head is often 1/3 the size of its body. In other words, his head, body, and legs are about the same length. Now let's move on to his legs. He is in a ballet standing position. When I was young, I went to ballet classes. Ballet standing position is not relaxing. It is actually quite hard. It requires a lot of balance and strength. Now let's draw a few more cookie crumbs in his mouth. Now we've done drawing our Cookie Monster. Let's color it in. You can pause the video if you need more time. First, let's add chocolate bites to the cookie. That's my favorite part. Did you know, long ago, chocolate was so special that people used it as money. Just like my dad, who often uses chocolate to bribe me. Hey! We've done drawing our Cookie Monster. We hope you liked this video. See you next time. Bye!